Welcome to our channel Skiller Learning. Let's test your knowledge of security automation and monitoring in Azure. Question 1. Which feature in Defender for Cloud allows you to automatically trigger actions based on security alerts? The correct answer is Workflow Automation. As Workflow Automation in Defender for Cloud lets you trigger logic apps when alerts are generated, enabling automated responses. Question 2. What is the primary function of security alerts in Microsoft Defender for Cloud? The correct answer is notify and guide response to detected threats. As security alerts in Defender for Cloud are generated when suspicious activities are detected, helping you investigate and remediate threats. Question 3. Which service is used to define data collection rules, DCRs, in Azure? The correct answer is Azure Monitor. As DCRs are created in Azure Monitor to control what data is collected, transformed, and sent to destinations like log analytics. Question 4. Which data source can Microsoft Sentinel connect to using a built-in connector? The correct answer is AWS CloudTrail. As Sentinel provides built-in connectors for various sources, including AWS CloudTrail, Azure Services, and more. Question 5. In Defender for Cloud, workflow automations are implemented using which Azure resource? The correct answer is Logic Apps. As Defender for Cloud workflow automations rely on Azure Logic Apps to orchestrate responses to alerts. Question 6. Which Microsoft Sentinel component allows integration with third-party solutions? The correct answer is Data Connectors. As data connectors in Sentinel integrate with third-party and Microsoft services to bring security data into Sentinel. Question 7. Which of these triggers can start a Defender for Cloud workflow automation? The correct answer is Security Alert Creation. As workflow automations in Defender for Cloud can trigger when a security alert or recommendation is generated. Question 8. Which tool in Sentinel helps visualize security data for monitoring? The correct answer is Workbooks. As workbooks in Sentinel provide customizable dashboards for visualizing and monitoring security data. Question 9. Which protocol is typically used by Sentinel data connectors to ingest syslog data? The correct answer is syslog over TCP/UDP. As Sentinel data connectors ingest syslog data using syslog protocols over TCP/UDP for Linux and network devices. Question 10. Which service integrates with Sentinel playbooks for ticket creation in ITSM tools like ServiceNow? The correct answer is Logic Apps Connectors. As Logic Apps Connectors allow Sentinel playbooks to integrate with ITSM tools like ServiceNow for ticketing. For more such videos, please like and subscribe our channel Skiller Learning.